picture. More fog, more freaky flashing lights. This first video has narration. Here we go.
Yo, MrMBB333. It's Brian looking from Toronto. What you got going on at the Bank of Montreal? It's going on for over a week. Just randomly doing it. Alright, adios, muchachos.
You see that? He said that's been going on for over a week. The lights right there on the front of the bank, just simply turning off for no reason, and then back on. Just like we're seeing down here in the United States. This video was sent in by Jay Crying Hippie out of Toronto, Canada. Video taken on the 12th of January, and he said this has been going on for at least a week. And here's video number 2 of flashing lights. Martha Mitchell, January the 11th, the night before. Again, a parking lot with malfunctioning lights. We've seen freeways with malfunctioning lights. We've seen now fronts of buildings with malfunctioning lights. I mean, the list just keeps growing. What is causing this? This is seriously weird. I'm telling you, there's something interfering with the flow of electricity at random locations. That is highly, highly unusual. Freaky fog, here we go. Multiple videos. Windy, Essex, United Kingdom, January 6th of 2025. She said this was not snow. This was indeed more fog that's being seen in both the western and eastern hemispheres. One gentleman said it smelled like black powder. Video number 2 of the mysterious fog sent in by VC. Video from January of 2025. I don't know the specifics on where this was taken at, but as you can clearly see, the ground has no snow on it, neither does the porch or the porch screens, but the sky is filled with these fog particles that people are seeing all around the world, at least in the United Kingdom and the United States and up in Canada. Video number 3 of the mysterious fog sent in by Ashley out of Coventry, United Kingdom, January 11th, 2025. Sky just loaded with fog. Look how thick that is. Can't even see the building over there less than a couple hundred yards away. I mean, wow. It doesn't even look like it's nighttime yet, but people had to turn on their headlights because the fog was so thick. Video number 4, Roger, Knoxville, Tennessee, goes back to December 18th of 2024, but it's still relevant. That's about when this started. Mysterious fog flying through the skies that really has people mystified. And we've all seen fog from time to time in our travels. I know I've seen my share of fog. Here's a video sent in by Ryan Jackson of some super thick fog caught on his outdoor security camera. Again, almost looked like snow, but it wasn't snow. Ellen and William out of Oregon, January 12th of 2025. Video less than 48 hours old. More fog. This is not snow, and this was also captured on their outdoor security camera.